Hi, I'm Irfan. I'm a graduate student, master's in computer science at the UIC, University of Illinois, Chicago. Today, we are going to discuss a homework 2 in the course of CS441, whose leading instructor as Mark Grishani. So, till now in the this is a continuation of homework 1. So in homework 1, what we did there is we just dragged the PDFs and we just converted those into chunks and embeddings, and we just stored in just loosen indexes files. Now from here what we are doing is, if there is any good, if there is any item which is coming from outside, we have to update that entire application. Like for example, if there is it already 10 files has been existed, now 11th file is coming into that part, that folder. So only the file which is coming has to be chunk, has to be embed, and it has to be stored. So but what happens in the last previous code, in that code if we give that 11th file, so it will generate entire PDFs into chunks, not only that PDF. Maybe it takes a lot of complexity, right? So now this is we're using Apache frameworks, and we can do that things, we can do refreshness. So before going to that, this is an index, so we are using Apache here. So this is a project. Let me show first a project overview. So yeah, this is an incremental data processing with Spark. So what here we are doing is we are doing a retrieval augmented generation, but we are maintaining a variable retrieval index using a delta function. We just what the process we are doing here is we process only changed or new documents, and we skipped the entire unchanged content here. And before going into the architecture, we will I think we will start the process. So we will go into the implementation code first, then do we'll come back. I think we will come back again. This is the file, so I have to run. So so this is my message cover. Just added the 4 PDFs, and whatever the chunks embeddings which are getting, I just want to store here in data delta. But till now I don't have anything. So let me do once and we'll check again. And yeah, maybe yeah, till it's going on. So we will do now architecture here. So this is the architecture. Uh, First up, PDFs are taking through the function of document normalizer. From this document normalizer, it will go to the documents checker by using hash. So if the hash is correct, then no need to process again. So just process the changed no, new document. Yeah, now we just got the answer 4. Now what we have to do for the next to confirm it whether our is good or not. If I rerun again, I just have to get here change documents as 4 to 0. So because we already once it's rerun, so no need to do again and again, right? So right now we are in flow diagram. Now if we go here for the next, if we rerun without adding, if we rerun without adding, then what we need to get? have to get the documents changed as zero. I mean, this screenshot we have to get there if we rerun without adding any PDFs or without with the same PDFs, right? So I will run again. I will do the SBT run now. Maybe yeah, I need to get zero PDFs. I think so, right? So maybe it will. It is. I think this it has to skip till here. Maybe So no need to go this term because we doesn't add any new files, right? If they have any new PDFs, then it has to run these things. Otherwise, just skip enter. Maybe yeah, I think it's just a 0.0 C screenshot which I have posted here. So both are similar. So this is the one other part. By this we can confirm our code is working condition. Then now what is next? Now next here is if we add in one new PDF. Okay, if we add a new PDF, then we need to get a good again. We need to get the change document as one, right? Yeah, we have to add the one more PDF. Manually. So I added, I think last we had just four PDFs. Now I added one more PDF here so that from there I need to get change documents add one. So why we have to get that answer? Because it it goes into the if there is any change or new PDF, it goes into the document chunker, and from there it has to go to the embedding generation, and from there it has to go to the index materializer. So from here we will check again the things. We have to run now again. So if we run here, so I had to get mm so I have to get what? I had to get the change documents as one. So actually this is a screenshot which I already did earlier. So stopping here and we are getting. So initially we got zero documents if I don't add anything. And if I add one PDF, it has to take time. Next, now let me check again what answer I got. Yeah, here we got a changed documents as one. So this is how we do the process. Just it's a very basic process, I can say. So it's wow. Yeah, it's wow. But if any new PDF is added, then it changes only the PDF. Changes here it means it's converted to the chunks, it's converted to embeddings, and rest PDFs remains unchanged. So this is a project which was bank. So the enhancements is the application has to deploy in AWS, in EMR, by connecting with the EC2 instance. So this enhancements I'm doing right now, and yeah, and this is the project of us, and thank you for giving me this a wonderful opportunity, especially to the instructor Magrushanic and TA uh, Jay. So thank you very much. And yeah, it's been a lot for me. Yeah, thank you. Have a great day.